It's me, Abby, again.
Pay for gas.
And today I will be playing with Play-Doh, making little creations. That's just that guy. I'm making little creations.
Yeah, he used his card and
This.
his name must have said his
What
card
is it
was
called?
missing and he tracked it down that way. So then they
The
went
most
to all the
wondrous
videos at the
thing
Husky.
in the
They saw that
world.
truck.
Play-Doh.
So then the cops were down there.
So let me get all
and they
of
were
it.
asking everybody.
Can I?
But their gate was open and their road was
Oh my
plowed right
God.
to their cabin.
Wait.
Yeah. Because they said they used to have a gate on it when they were
Alright.
clearing things out.
Got two
and
more
all
big
that
ones.
last summer.
We're gonna see if I
Took
can
the gate down.
stack this high.
And of course, they go to camp all winter long, so the road was plowed, so these people just drove right in. Joanne said, good thing the big garage, the big metal garage that Gilbert had was locked. No, it wasn't locked, it was frozen and they couldn't open it. Because they had
That one has
a car
nothing
in
in
there,
it.
the side-by-side, a skidoo, and who knows what else in there.
Look at
And
this
Mother
thing.
said there was all kinds of tools.
Yeah, so I can't do that.
The whole thing was everything. Tools and everything.
That's it.
All kinds of tools.
Wait.
Well, you know, it's pretty, it sits there, I guess, doesn't do much of anything.
Okay, one
Shuffles
more.
along.
This is the last one. If it falls.
Along with Hendrickson.
Oh my god.
Jimi Hendrickson.
I'm gonna add this one.
Bieber.
Ebert's still there, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Now Ivy. Get rid of it. This one's heavy.
Jimmy.
I'll be right back. Alright,
He said that, Jimmy.
now
Jimmy
these
just
are the Legos I'm using.
Jimmy's always shuffled.
The Play-Doh I will be using. And these. This is the only biggest one. That has nothing in it. Hey, Nelly. So yeah, let's start.
Yeah. We're gonna go take that snow machine off that trailer and we'll put her in the shed.
There we go.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's the reason that.
Alright.
Bark
Oh, and I also have this one. That one's gonna be bad, so we're not gonna use that one. What's a real dish that we make?
That's what Pam Hamper said.
Cookies.
Clothes.
So for cookies, I'm gonna use these 4 as icing, this as dough, and these as toppings. Alright, so first we gotta start with the dough. We also have a fork to create patterns with.
Yeah,
Your
we'll go
fan.
try to get that off the trailer. Yeah. Drive around Hogan Road.
Don't mind the barking dog.
Oh yeah, I'll be here.
Oh, cut it out.
Take that stupid trailer.
What do you want, Nelly?
Yeah.
Roll.
Well, I'm hoping that is fine. The curve is neutralized. Maybe.
They said that in, where did, the other day, they were saying
Hi.
something that in, the
Starting off the
doctors were
cookie dough.
saying, some of the
You gotta
experts
knead it.
there,
Of course, people were already playing with it.
they were saying that they expected
So.
the number to be much higher
I'm gonna roll it
in
out. See you when I'm
comparison
done.
to Italy and,
Alright, and I finished making the cookie. Here they are. Not perfect, but they were made. Now, I'm gonna take this cookie and I'm gonna use, let's do the purple icing. If I can open it. Solution. Now, since this one is stuck in there, there we go. Now I have this. This has to be able to cover the cookie. So, I'm just going to flatten this out a little more. Now, I'm going to take this and smush it so it's perfect. Now I gotta mold it into the right shape. And it's stuck. And there we go. That's my icing. Now I'm going to try to peel off some of the mistake, the extra, because we don't need the extra. What we need is the circle. So I'm just going to use this fork to get rid of it. This is actually kind of hard and difficult, but I will get it done. Boom. Boom. And I'm still going for a circle, like, so I don't mess up the cookie.
You know, we ate the oysters that were going to go bad, and we talked about what we would do to, you know, support each other and figuring out what to do with the blanket and all that. So,
and I'm done. Now to add a little more detail, I'm going to take the fork and just like this. Same here on the cookie. I'm going to actually just roll up this cookie again. And then I make it thick. Well, we were just saying thick.
That's a huge relief. I was losing sleep thinking about EI. Just
Come on. Ugh.
given that most of my income
This is not cooperating, you know.
it was just going to be such a small amount
I'll be back when I got this cookie
to
done.
cover my bills.
Okay?
And, you know, I'm very lucky that I don't. And I'm sure.
And now I'm done with the cookie. Place the icing on top of the cookie. So it looks like you got a cookie sandwich. You see? Now, we gotta add some sort of topping. I'm thinking wiggle sprinkles. And I'm only gonna do one, but this is gonna be a series. So I'm gonna make little these little you know those little like kind of rectangle cylinder sprinkles? Yeah, I'm gonna make some of those. But only in pink. Okay. Now
Big there, big plastic thing.
chop that.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
I don't know where Daddy went. Might have went outside. And just gotta fix it. Boom. So you get little things like, hang on, like that.
Oops.
What is that?
This is
Indoor curling.
Luke Sechner made this video at his house because he's in quarantine.
Yeah?
Look at him.
What is that? Just finishing up.
I should go through this.
And a cookie.
You gotta see this. Luke Sechner is making these videos at home for every day he's in quarantine. Here.
Surprise? This year, Luke Sechner has been tested positive for 6 types of anabolic steroids, cocaine, fentanyl, heroin,
A few moments later.
oxycodone, methadone, and a tiger tranquilizer. Therefore, he has been disqualified from the Olympics and is no longer allowed to compete. Luke Sechner, 3 mental news at the quarantine Olympics. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
You gotta see it from the beginning though. Here it goes.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Quarantine Olympics. Today's day 7. Yesterday, we seen Luke Sechner win gold in the pole vault and the 1.5 meter swim. Today he will be competing in boxing and curling. I know what you're thinking, curling is not a summer sport. But this is my
whatever.
video and I'll make the rules. Anyway, let's tune in to see how he's doing.
Alright. Second cookie. Just gotta top off the end. I'll come back when I'm done with my third cookie. Second cookie.
Phone out there again?
And these are the finishing cookies.
No, it's right
Thank
there.
you guys for watching. Please subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thunder Fam out.